All right, let's talk about the number 100. I've signed up 100 people in 40 days. As of, let's see here, June 10th of 2025. That's what my figures are right now, and I'll show you the back office to Save Club and the leaderboard so we can kind of go over some numbers and figures and see what we can do to get you, number one, to join Save Club and just enjoy the savings. All right, so $19.97. That's how much it costs to be a member. And then to be an affiliate and earn money like I've been doing, it's just $60. So I like to bring up the money part kind of in the beginning on a lot of my videos. That way you're not freaking out like at the end of a video. There's just crazy amounts of cash that need to be spent. You don't need to do this. This program, Save Club, is designed to save you money, including even the affiliate side. It's pretty cool. So anyway, $19.97 plus the 60 comes to $79.97. All right, so if you have $80 minus 3 pennies, all right, is that okay? Feels pretty good? All right. Okay. This routine, call it a system, call it a technique, but this is how I've signed up 100 people. And I do the same thing every day. I make it fun. I don't make it a nightmare like, oh God, I got to post on social media. I got to make a video. Crap, I can't stand this business, but I want to earn money. All right, don't do that with this online thing, okay? Make yourself enjoy it. There's other things that are going to drive you crazy, but this opportunity should not be one of them, okay? Joinsaveclub.org. This is the official link to sign up just to be a member. And you can obviously upgrade for that $60 to be an affiliate. So, joinsaveclub.org. These business cards are about $22. I just got the red background with the little car. You can see the little silhouette. I always put my email address on my business cards, not my cell phone number. I don't have a lot of time to eat up during the day because I have other things I love doing, including working and hobbies and other cool stuff. But my goal is for you to click a link to watch videos already made. In this case, joinsaveclub.org, okay? When you click it, you're going to go to this page, and everybody that pays $60 gets this exact page. It's called the Powerline landing page. It's where you get people's information, and if you're kind enough to do so, let me show you where to do it. Okay, this is a 6-minute video, and it's hosted and produced by Save Club, and the host, the guy chit-chatting with you, it's the founder. His name is Charles Moy, all right? I want you to get to know him. Just watch the video. I've had probably 50 to 60 people sign up just by watching this short little video. Put your name and contact information here. Hit that orange button. Now you're going to get a Save Club email. And if you want to join, please do so. And if you want to delete it, I understand. If you want to wait a week or two and kind of think about things, it's okay. But remember, we're only 10 days old. And he or she who signs up as an affiliate sooner rather than later has a massive advantage over someone that's joining 3 to 6 months to a year after. We barely kicked this bad boy off 10 days ago. So please do not sit on the fence on this. All right, anyway. Now, for a VIP callback, guess what? We have AI technology. So if you fill out this information, you'll get an email. You can get a text. And if you'd like to, even AI technology, we'll see if it or myself can help you make a decision. Do you want to save money? Right on. Do you want to earn some money? Well, let's do some chit-chatting, okay? But how did you lead to this page? And like I said, I keep it real simple. So, joinsaveclub.org. On all my emails, my inboxes, if somebody on the street asks quickly, what the hell's going on? I just go to joinsaveclub.org. That's all you got to do, guys. Make it real simple. Click it, watch that 6-minute video, and it's awesome. Now, there's a funnel system that just came out. It's the only funnel for Save Club, and what it does is it puts a 20-minute video in front of what I just showed you. And the reason I've been so successful with the funnel is because it just explains Save Club a lot better. A lot of people, they don't want to do what I'm doing, where I'm talking about Save Club, showing the back office, how to do deals, how to get your business, featured as a business that might offer you a deal. Or where's the leaderboard? How do you sign up? What kind of payment do we take? I don't mind chit-chatting with you guys on video, but for those that don't want to do video, if you go to This funnel system I'm going to show you, I'm going to invite you to 2 private invite-only groups where we have a ton of pictures, ton of animated banners and GIFs. I just call them GIFs, like GIFs. What's going on? And of course, video. That's right. We have a lot of video, and it's just sitting there on a folder online. You can download it to your home computer, your laptop, your cell phone, and upload the videos already made. They do nothing except promote Save Club for you. And you just make sure your link is right where it needs to go. And you can figure that out after you join. It's rather easy, okay? But let me show you how I offer you, for $25, the funnel. Okay, officialsaveclub.com, okay? That's a nice little link there, but this is my bad boy, Save Club Funnels. SaveClubFunnels.com, okay? Go there, and this is what you're going to see. This page, and now from here on in, you can change any of these pages. You can change the background from boats to giraffes if you want. You can change that yellow button to pink. But I recommend just leave it. It's pretty well done. All you got to do is fill out some information, like your Save Club affiliate link. And guys, you're in the money, man. I love it. I honestly think you're going to kick butt with this funnel. It's $25. Now, put your email address in this white rectangle box here and then hit the yellow button. Now, here's the 20-minute video I was telling you about. Click this and watch it. Just get yourself a drink, sit back, and see if you want to join or not. And if you've already joined, don't worry about it. It's $25. This funnel can go with any team, anybody. If you've joined already, don't worry about it. You don't have to join directly under me, and then I offer it to you. I don't do that. I want everybody to kick ass in this company, because the more members we have, the more deals we have, it's going to cheaper everything. So we smash Priceline and Orbitz and Groupon and any other savings club out there. This is the first of its kind where you can, yes, save deals all over the world. And we will be all over the world in every city, in every state, in every country. Just be patient, because we're only 10 days old. But it's an affiliate company too. So instead of the Kardashians or sports figures or movie actors getting all the money, we get a share of that. If I invite you to join Save Club and I can earn a commission, how awesome is that? It's cool. If you join, I get $20 to $32, and you're going to enjoy the same little perk. We get paid every Friday, and with the Save Club funnel, the company pays you $20 for everyone that signs up. How cool is that? I got about like 40, 50 people already signed up, and I've only been promoting the funnel for a couple weeks, and that is recurring. Every single month that someone uses the funnel, the company pays me $20 each person. And how crazy is it that it's only $25 for the funnel? We don't do high ticket stuff here. I don't want people to feel like they're going to join, lose interest, and then they go broke because they had to rob the piggy bank or max out the credit card. $79.97. All right, that's it. If you want the funnel, which I'm showing you right now, it's $25. So, join Save Club. You can join if you have not done so by hitting this red button. There's the price breakdown again, $60 to be an affiliate, $19.97 a month. And then if you want the funnel, just click it. It's $25, and you can see we take Visa, American Express, Discover, and MasterCard. All right, the big four. $25. And then there's a setup video produced by my buddy Mike. Takes like 10, 15 minutes. Basically what you're doing is just entering a couple pieces of information, and it's easy. Setup is cake. So, now what do you do after you get the funnel? You pay the $25. You've joined Save Club. I hope you hit this red button here, because this is where I'm going to offer you to join our team. Now, if you've already joined Save Club under someone else, don't worry about it. We offer everybody a welcoming invitation to just come aboard our cruise ship. We've got the biggest leaders in Save Club in our opportunity right now. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to get a lot more pictures, a lot more banners, a lot more animated things you can upload anywhere from TikTok to Instagram. Send it as an attachment in an email, an inbox, or gosh almighty, upload those darn things to YouTube. That's what I do. But you click that red button right below, and you're going to get done for you videos. And like I said, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter. Oh God, what other social media platforms are out there? There's a lot, isn't there? Well, we want you to do just all the uploading that you can possibly do in, hell, I don't know, 1 hour. Maybe you have a half hour to kill during lunch. Maybe after work you got a couple hours. We know you're not going to probably, and I got a couple years experience now, we know you're probably not going to do video. It's going to take a while to work up to that. Well, we have the videos already made. You might not know how to make a banner or a real nice display. Don't worry about it. We got them already made for you. And then take your time. You can learn how to make badass pictures, animated this, or maybe produce just a simple video, how I'm talking into my webcam. But just relax. We got you covered. We have a lot of content for you to use now because we're only 10 days old. Tomorrow will be number 11, and that'll be, let's see, June 11th. It'll be our 11th day since we kicked off June 1st. And this is 2025, so I don't know if you're watching the video now in my future. But right now, June 10th, we're doing good. I've saved about $900. I've made about $1,000 per week. And this funnel system that I just offered you, it's given me about a $920 slap in my butt with savings. And that's cash in my pocket I can go spend. So right now, everything is going real nicely. You're saving money. Okay? You're earning money. And you're going to help everyone else do the same. That's why I think this opportunity is probably the easiest thing that I've done. If I can say that without stuttering. Okay. So just think about joining. Do you got the $79.97? If you have $80, awesome. And if you want the funnel system, take your time. You don't have to get it by any means. But let me just show you the links one more time. Official link to join, joinsaveclub.org. Funnel system right below there, guys. saveclubfunnels.com. Here's the back office. Yeah, let me show you the leaderboard. This is kind of fun for me. Yeah, it looks like I'm at number 7 right now. I just hit the magic 100. I think in the afternoon or this evening I'll probably get 101. And then I'm going to focus on getting 200 people. So I got another 100 to go. So very exciting. So far, so good. As far as a review, I'm real happy. The ownership seems nice. There's 3 Zoom meetings per week that we record, so you can watch it anytime, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tons of materials, tons of videos. And all you got to do is just go to this button here that says My Deals and just log in and go all over planet Earth. And just remember, we're only 10 days old, so we're going to have a lot more video available that is in different languages. And we're going to have a lot of savings in every city and every state. Just be patient, Canada. Be patient, Asia, South Africa, Malaysia. I had Portugal yesterday check in. We are getting to your neck of the woods, as I like to say. But you just got to be patient, that's all. And if you're in America, yes, we do have tens of thousands of savings already. But we're a worldwide thing here. We're signing up people worldwide. So hang in there if you live in another state or a tiny little country. All right, so... Okay, guys, well, thanks. I like to do 15 minutes or less videos if I can. And there we go. All right, joinsaveclub.com. Check it out. And then also go to Save Club Funnels and see what you think. I promote both links almost every video because they both work like peanut butter and jelly. I like to give you a choice. And if you just want to join Save Club to get the ball rolling, oh, man, you got everything you need. There's training. There's just some nice people you're going to meet online. There's live Zooms, of course. Everything you need, I think, in my opinion, to be successful and to make the darn thing easy. And I hope you do what I do. I hope you copy. Just invite people to click a link to watch the videos. And that's it. So, okay, guys, I'll end this thing early. I was going to go 15 minutes. Looks like I'm at 14. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And remember, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime with your questions. I love it. I learn a lot from you guys. More questions you ask, the better. Especially if you're going to be an affiliate. So climb aboard, get those 3 $20 bills out, get that $19.97 out, and let's earn and make some money too, okay? Thanks a lot for your time, guys. We'll talk to you next video.